Hello everyone. Today my topic is youth contribution. The youth are power of the country. Without power of the youth, country is powerless. Youth, power, talent, idea and contribution is important for the nation, and so we should be give opportunity for the youth making for great country, and we should be not ignore the power of the youth, talent of the youth, and the so youth are most important part of the country. Without youth, country is powerless. So today my topic is youth contribution, and thank you so much for giving this my message. If you are like and you give